I'm so glad you're here starting this section with me. In this section, we have a ton of new exciting things to learn and skills to develop as we take our first steps into the great Java adventure. We will be starting off learning some fundamentals: how to print information out to the user, how to create and use variables, values, and constants, how these things have data types, and about some of the differences and similarities among the data types as well. We will also be learning about different operations we can perform on data using operators, specifically arithmetic, relational, and logical operators. Further, we will learn how to obtain input from the user of our programs. Near the end of the section, you'll have a chance to strengthen your newly learned skills with a couple projects, specifically an Average of 3 program and a Mad Libs project. There's a lot to get done, so let's get right to it. I'll see you in the next lecture, where we will begin with saying hello to Java.